Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take action. Install Git and Node.js and ensure your SSH key is added to GitHub. Once done, clone the GitHub Spray repository and change into its folder. This puts you where commands run. Make sure to check package JSON for required modules and version constraints, and run a quick npm sci to get a reproducible install. This first push moves you from preparation into execution, so resolve any install errors before continuing. You now configure the tool, open config. IML and set targets, rate limits, and authentication tokens so the spray behaves predictably. Once configured, run the provided unit and integration tests. This catches obvious misconfigurations, and you should fix failing checks immediately. After tests pass, launch the main process with the documented command, Node or Python, and monitor logs for progress. If concurrency tuning is needed, gradually increase workers. This avoids overload and gives you control. You finish by validating outputs and committing changes. Inspect logs and any generated reports to confirm expected behavior, then stage and commit your updated config, tagging the version if useful. Once complete, run a quick smoke test to verify end-to-end success. If things go wrong, enable verbose or debug logs immediately to capture context. This reveals timing, auth, or rate errors. Follow up by reverting risky changes or adjusting rate limits, and then rerun the minimal failing case to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.